Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's discuss how to fix orange or yellow screen on your iPhone 17 Pro. If your iPhone 17 Pro screen looks too orange or too yellow, do not worry, it's usually caused by display features like True Tone or Night Shift. And here's how to fix it. First of all, first step will be to check your Night Shift. For quicker access, you can just pull the top right corner of your screen down and hold and press this brightness toggler and see if your Night Shift option is turned off. So if it's turned off, it will be like this, and if it's turned on, it will be yellow, and you have to just disable this. And the same way with the True Tone, as you can see, this option is means that it's enabled, and to disable it you just have to tap it again, or you can access that in your settings. Let's go to settings, and you have to scroll down until you reach display and brightness section and go to Night Shift option. So here you can customize it to yourself, so that it didn't turn on automatically, but just when you turn it on, when you want to turn it on. And the same way with the True Tone. As you can see, I have it now disabled. And if the screen still looks off, you should go back to settings and go to accessibility section, go to display and text size, and find here option that says color filters, and you want to make sure that you don't have any color filters on, because they can change the way colors are displayed on your screen. So yeah, make sure that it's turned off. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.